The ballot initiative before us today represents the hard work and activism of hundreds of thousands of Michiganders who joined together in the pursuit of a better life for themselves and their families. No one should be at risk of losing their job because they need to take care of themselves or a sick child or loved one. Yet too many families across the state face that impossible choice. Earned paid sick leave is critical to improving the quality of life for everyday Michiganders across our state. Moreover, earned paid sick leave is important to protect the public health from sick workers who are forced to attend work, often in service industry jobs despite their illness, and to protect the health of children who are going to daycare or school because their parents don't have earned paid sick time and can't afford to take time off work to take care of their children when they're ill. And when someone is a victim of sexual assault or domestic violence, it is important that they have the ability to take time off and recover physically and emotionally. These are the many reasons why, when I was first elected to this chamber, my first request, my first policy priority that I submitted was to reintroduce earned paid sick leave policy. I brought this issue to this chamber in 2015 and again in 2017 and have continued to advocate both terms to see it move forward. Many of my fellow Michiganders agreed on the significance of this policy, and that is why we are here today. Should this initiative pass, I will work hard to ensure that this sound public policy is preserved as intended, and that the will of the people is not thwarted by an 11th hour change to the proposal following the election. Approve and remove is not what Michiganders signed up for. This initiative testifies to the groundswell of support for a premise both basic and humane in nature, the premise that you should have the freedom to care for yourself or your family when you or a loved one is unwell. An overwhelming number of Michiganders made their voices heard when they signed this petition. And should this initiative pass today, those same Michiganders will hold everyone in this chamber accountable to hold the integrity of this good public policy for our family.